Imagine stepping into a dimension where the boundaries of vision dissolve. We are introducing the world's first 360-degree drone, marking not just a new device, but a genuine revolution in flight. Think about the traditional struggle of drone photography, where you have to be a skilled pilot first and a creator second, often missing the moment because you are worried about aiming. The Antigravity A1 changes this by freeing you from the tyranny of the frame, allowing you to capture everything now and frame it later, so you never miss the shot.
Let's look at the hardware that makes this freedom possible. This is a complete vision system featuring an exceptionally lightweight design and replaceable lenses, ensuring you can push your limits and transport it effortlessly on extended missions while capturing an 8K clarity. To truly understand the power of this drone, you have to wear it. The Featherweight vision goggles utilize premium 1-inch micro-OLED displays to pull you right into the moment, letting you look anywhere and see everything in perfect detail. When it comes to control, we have stripped away the complexity of complex piloting skills. Flight is now guided by instinct, using motion control that feels natural, allowing the drone to become an extension of your intention, so you can just point and go. Consider this your automated cinema toolkit. With features like SkyPath and SkyGenie, you can set a path for fully autonomous flight, turning every move into a cinematic shot and creating magical moments instantly, without needing manual control. For high-action scenarios, precision is key. With a single tap, you can lock onto your subject, and our intelligent tracking ensures the camera stays with them through every dynamic move, keeping them the center of the story, regardless of how fast they go. The creativity continues even after you land. Our software handles the heavy lifting by automatically finding the perfect story, generating highlights, and building seamless transitions for professional results completely automatically. This creates a completely new creative workflow. It starts with immersive capture using intuitive motion control, moves to intelligent reframing, where AI helps you discover the perfect shot, and ends with cinematic storytelling generated automatically. We also understand that freedom requires peace of mind. That is why the A1 is built to fly with total confidence, featuring intelligent obstacle avoidance, navigation assist, and a payload detection system that stops flight if unsafe weight is detected. All of this technology is backed by performance that stretches your horizons. You get a massive 39 minutes of maximum flight time and a transmission range of 10 kilometers, all while capturing in breathtaking 8K 360-degree resolution. Ultimately, this is about handing the control back to you. This is not just a drone, it is the Antigravity A1, where it is your sky and your rules. This explainer video was created from Notebook LLM using the YouTube video promo from Antigravity AI, the new drone incubated by Insta360 and founded by drone enthusiasts and engineers tired of drones that looked good on paper but felt lifeless in the air. Antigravity was created with a single mission: to make flight feel less like work and more like wonder. Deck2vid.mbilla.ai was used for the voiceover using Google Gemini TTS.